Hello everybody! It's time to kick off the New Year's Eve Nacho Fest. Just wanted to wish everybody a happy new year and hope 2024 is better than 2023. So let's get things going. We'll go out and check the status of the workshop first. Uh-oh, better cut that. Whew, that's a close one. So there's going to be a new feature this year. I will announce my nacho rounds. Instead of just going it's round one, we're going to use something interesting. It's got a date code of 12/8/1978. This is a chime out of a 79 Cadillac. So I can go time for round one nachos, for example, and then go. I don't have the mechanism to activate the solenoid on that plunger that hits that chime, but I can do it like that. Works fine. Got the Dr. Pepper clock going. Got the plate and all the ingredients. The cheese is in the Igloo Plenty Cool. Microwave clock's all set, ready to go. Everything's we're just waiting now. Got this workshop computer fired up in case I want to listen to some of the music that's on there. And then of course we got the 1990 Panasonic bookshelf system going. But unfortunately, I can't demonstrate that. I might do a little clips here and there, just like a second or two, just to get a taste of what it sounds like. So this is just the beginning of a long evening. We'll see how it progresses. It is time for round one. Need to grab a Dr. Pepper right quick. Also got to get my cheese. Hand grated earlier today. This year I'll be using sharp cheddar. Oh yeah, that's good. I may speed this up through the process. Round one's ready to go in the microwave. Now I've had these nachos in some, either with this or Velveeta, since the early 80s. So my first memories of eating nachos are these right here. So I like to make them on occasion. Check them about when it gets to a minute. Flip the plate around because this microwave does not have a turntable. I've made the New Year's Eve nachos in this microwave for many years. They're chooching right along. Not quite as melty as I like them yet. And the stir started. That's the problem with the microwave. It works fine, but got to make sure that stir in the top starts spinning, or it will have the catastrophic failure again like it did back when it got retired. That was a bad thing what happened to this microwave. I will of course leave the video in the description. I think that'll work. Got my Dr. Pepper ready for round one. I'll give it a taste test and I'll go ahead and finish these off camera. That's a fine nacho. So I'm going to enjoy round one and then go back in the house for a little while. So I got the old 2011 Dynex TV on. Found a channel I can tune into and it worked, so we'll be watching CBS out here. Round two for nachos. And we're going to switch things up just a little bit for this round. Summit Cola. Round two is served. We're now in the last hour of 2023 and the illegal as frig fireworks have already started up. Way off in the distance I'm hearing the illegal fireworks. There they go. Round three, but it's a small order. That's about all I can do. I'm going to have to tap out after round three. Oh yeah, those got super melty. Have to let those cool off just a bit. So round three and then gonna go in the house. There go some fireworks. We're all up and running here. Everything's looking pretty good right now. A little over 14 minutes till New Year's. We are getting closer and closer. About 6 minutes away now. Well, it is 2024. That being said, be gone 2023. Windows open, you get on out of here. Getting 2023 out of here, it is time to turn the lights off for the last time. Until November. That's when they get put back up. Always kind of a sad evening. But pack everything up and look forward to another season. These are off. That's off. That's off. One last look at the tree. in the porch. And the last one's out there in the bushes. So we're all powered down until the day after Thanksgiving for this year. So hope everybody has a wonderful new year and things go pretty well. Well, let's end this evening with the power offs. I've had these on about an hour. It's the Portacolor 76 Panasonic, 73 Pincrest, and the 48 Admiral. Won't need the heat in here tonight. These are putting off pretty good heat. That's why I can only use them in the cooler months, because it gets way too hot in here. So once again, Happy New Year, and thank you for watching. Let's have a great 2024.